Hello guys, it's me, Matthew Musselwhite, over at Shy Guy Productions. I'm gonna start using my full name now, hopefully, but that's beside today's point. Today I would like to talk about something quite interesting that has popped up during GDC. I had trouble pronouncing that. And some of the features that I find most exciting in this revision of the Unreal Engine, also known, which is Unreal Engine 4. It is available for you to get by, well, probably rent now, but I'll talk about that in a minute. So let's begin. The first thing Unreal has announced that I think is really quite interesting is their new node-based scripting system. It's called what they call Blueprint, which you can actually script like everything in the map. It's not just the script like an object within the map. You can actually script what happens in a map at the exact time. Very good for fast reiterating and debugging. Now they have shown how this has worked on their video back in 2012. Also a little preview in their showcase that was released during GDC. It's basically like an authoring tool, really, in itself, and I'm really looking forward to see what it has to offer. Okay, the next feature that Epic has showcased in their Unreal Engine 4 is the fact that you can change code quite quickly. This what it means is what they're calling code view, I'm presuming. I'm looking at it right now. Now code view will allow you to change source code quite quickly, fast iterations. You don't have to do one of the iterations and wait for the entire thing to rebuild. You can actually, have it rebuild a little bit of change without doing the entire code, and you'll immediately see the change when it's finished building, which I find a very cool feature. The next one I'm very happy to see is the fact that the editor is now multi-platform, i.e. it's on Windows and it's on Mac, so it's not just limiting to one OS, which I really like. Now keep in mind that there is probably going to be quite some, I won't say game-breaking bugs because it's not really in a game, but probably say tool breaking bugs. But with that said, I think that it will be very beneficial to developers who don't really want to develop on a Windows system, but can still, I'm presuming it will be able to export into a .exe to distribute the Windows version of your game. Other platforms that you'll be able to compile for is obviously Mac, so Windows, Mac, iOS and Android. So that's like 4 platforms right off the spot. This is for what you can buy. If you get like a custom license, you can do the PS4, Wii U, Xbox One, 360, PS3, and all that good stuff. It's looking very promising. Okay, the next thing on the list is the personal animation toolset. This will allow you to it's kind of tied into Blueprints from what I'm reading, in the fact that you use node-based systems and you can actually dynamically animate your character to look right or look left, which I think is a very cool feature. Now, I'm a modder, I'm part modder. I have been working on various projects, one that's still was in development until I can get my kit back. I'm not going to work anymore on that, but hey, what can you do, eh? But for me, animating, I'm an also, animation for game development, it can be quite a chore, and one of the reasons why I'm not doing character creation for an idea I have, the reason I'm very hesitant is because of how difficult it is to animate a character. Now, this should hopefully get rid of it. All that trouble and hassle. Probably not all, that's probably going to be quite hard to achieve, but probably most of the problems in it. Now let's go into pricing. Now this thing does come cheap, surprisingly enough. It doesn't cost something quite bizarre. Come on, this. Oh, forget it. The price for this is on a per monthly basis, so it's like a subscription, which is why I said it's kind of like renting it. But to get access to Unreal Engine 4 is just $19 per month, plus a 5% royalty fee from Epic, probably when you send your game out for selling, which is alright. Probably not the cheapest. I mean, CryEngine's are $10 and no royalty fees, but $19 to get loads of, get the latest generation engine for you to work on. You will need a quite beefy computer, at least a GTX 470 for the graphics, for instance, but for a next generation engine, yes, I'm very satisfied with that price point. How much is it in UK pounds? Approximately £11.51, so it's a bit expensive for me. I don't have that kind of money at the moment, but it is something I would like to get into. So there you go, guys. Thank you for listening to the exciting features of Unreal Engine 4, and I'll see you in my next video.